Usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Ba Sniawbhalang Dhar, ulaban biang baganong rim joko Sorkar jela kalong kabashai ban Sha Satya ban Tih Uranium na Kejela Meghalaya. Abakrani kelak patai kubora kan ru trek unaitung arajar arpun riau ula kentat ru igi jingkeno baka Sorkar kapendo igi kampen roy igi tan namar bagi persya igi jing Tih Uranium. Nakabe itu baka Sorkar kesam markat juk ki kampen roy bat kepersyang ban penjenai ki surok bakilat penesok habar ko igi jela kat bahkala. Halor gejing keno ke KSU bagi dan ki MLA barim ki batiat jaka bat persyang menpen ko ngo gi traisnong hadam yasiat pen tiang ya kejing Tih Uranium. Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ule tu bo umpat dan jengtip ke bati kena halor kania dan ke Sorkar kan sesyong bishar ban pensisai ke kam. Ula ban jurru bagi jing Tih Uranium kana melak baniat cekmat kat bau Paidbah bagi jela berkawai kempat menjurlang. Bat ke Sorkar ke yang skam bat Paidbah halor kani ganong rim.
At least we are very clear on that. We are not allowed in mining. Government is done with the people of the state. Obviously.
But is there any proposal to pass any such resolution?
Whatever may be about uraniums, we are very clear. We are with the people of the state of Meghalaya. The only thing that uranium mining is allowed until unless the whole state is cleared.
But will you try to verify the allegations made by...
Obviously, if there is an allegation, government is always try to verify with the real one. But obviously, that's a top priority. Whenever we give developments, we never have negative thinking behind them. Development is development. Because you seem very clear, government does not bring development only to the uranium area. Across the state, equally we are equally distributed.
But we have seen they have no roads and even in terms of the health sector also.
Road is there, but you know very well we are trying our best as a government. We are trying our best to give road from across the state of Meghalaya. But yes, of course, it does not mean that we are able to give perfect road to whoever demand. But as a government, we are trying to listen from the demand because wherever possible, we are trying to give road.